Hi there, English learners. Welcome back to the channel where learning English is easy and fun. Are you ready to speak English more confidently in your daily life? Whether you are at home, at school, at work, or just hanging out with friends, today's video is packed with powerful daily English sentences you can start using right away. So grab a notebook, get ready to speak, and let's level up your English. One sentence at a time. Let's begin. ये दवाई बहुत कड़वी है. This medicine is very bitter. आप कितने बजे उठते हैं? What time do you wake up? आओ गाड़ी से चलें. Let's go by car. पैसे गिन लीजिए. Count the money. आपकी दावत का शुक्रिया. Thanks for your invitation. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. The weather is pleasant today. आपकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. दरवाजा पकड़ो. Hold the door. किताबें यहाँ रखो. Keep the books here. तुम कुछ मत बोलो. You don't say anything. तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What is your problem? क्या आपको मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get my point? कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. इस बारे में सोचा. Think about it. हल तलाश करें. Find the solution. आसमान पर बादल छाए हुए हैं. The sky is overcast. हमें काम करने दो. Let us work. यहाँ बैठो. Be seated here. अदालत ने इसे मुजरिम करार दे दिया. The court declared him guilty. अंदर आना मना है. No entrance. मजीद इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. मुझे गुमराह ना करो. Don't mislead me. आ रही है. I am sleepy. इससे चक्कर आ रहा है. He is feeling dizzy. कवानीन की पासदारी करो. Obey the rule. वो दरवाजा खटखटा रहा है. He is knocking the door. इसको कबूल करो. Accept it. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for this. ये घर किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. आप क्या खाएंगे? What do you want to eat? अपनी सलाहियत महसूस करो. Realize your potential. तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so furious? तुम्हें ये कहने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you say that? आज बहुत गर्मी है. Today it is sunny. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ. I can speak English. वो अरबी में बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good at Arabic. मैं पानी गर्म कर रहा हूँ. I am heating the water. तुम बड़े ही मुफ्तखोर हो. You are such a mocker. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. As your wish. मुझे इस पर पूरा एतमाद है. I have full faith in him. क्या कहेंगे? What will the people say? उसका गला सूजा हुआ है. His throat is swollen. मुनाफिक लोगों से डरो. Stay away from hypocrites. तुम्हारे साथ मामला क्या है? What is wrong with you? ये सरसरा बकवास है. This is utter nonsense. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these daily English sentences helpful and easy to remember. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends who also want to improve their English. And let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite or what topic you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.